A car tire has a radius of 15 inches. Suppose a car is traveling at 60 miles per hour. 1 mile equals to 5,280 feet. What is the approximate rate of spin in revolutions per minute of the tire? Round the answer to the nearest whole number. The rate of spin is approximately dash revolutions per minute. Okay, so here according to the question, we have to find the number of revolutions that the car tire can make in 1 minute. So per minute means in 1 minute. Okay, so to find the number of revolutions that car tire can make in 1 minute, so first we have to find the distance covered by the car in 1 minute. So the distance we find has to be in inches because the radius of the car tire is given in inches. So we have to find the distance covered by the car in 1 minute in inches. So for that we can use other information. There is the car's speed is given. So that is the car is traveling at 60 miles per hour. So that means in 1 hour, the distance covered by the car is 60 miles. So using this information, we have to find the distance covered by the car tire in 1 minute in inches. Okay, easily we can convert this 1 hour to minutes because already we know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So instead of 1 hour, we can write 60 minutes over here. And here we have 60 miles. Okay, so the car is traveling 60 miles in 60 minutes. Then what is the distance covered by the car tire in 1 minute? So in 60 minutes, the car tire covers a distance of 60 miles. Then in 1 minute, the distance covered by the car tire is just 1 mile. Okay, here I have 1 minute, but here I have to get this distance in inches. So we know that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. It is given in the question itself. So 1 minute, in 1 minute, the car tire covers a distance of 5,280 feet. So because we know that 1 mile equals to 5,280 feet. Further, we have to convert this feet to inches. Okay, already we know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So whenever I want to convert feet to inches, I have to multiply this feet by 12. When I multiply this 5,280 feet by 12, automatically it will be converted to inches. So 1 minute. So when I multiply this 5,280 by 12, so I am getting 63,360 inches. Okay, now I got the distance covered by the car in 1 minute, that is 63,360 inches. And also we have to find the distance covered by the car tire in 1 revolution. So there is a formula for that. Okay, let me write it. Okay, the formula is over here. That is the distance covered by the tire in 1 revolution equals to circumference of the tire. Actually, the tire is in the shape of a circle, so we can find the circumference of the tire using the formula to find circumference of a circle. That is 2 times pi times r. And so here r refers to radius, and the radius is given in the question itself. There is a radius of the tire, that is 15 inches. So we can plug in 15 for r. Then I get 30. 2 times 15 is 30 pi inches. So the distance covered by the tire in 1 revolution equals to 30 pi inches. Okay, now we have 2 information. There is a distance covered by the tire in 1 minute is 63,360 inches, and the distance covered by the tire in 1 revolution equals to 30 pi inches. So using these 2 information, how can we get the number of revolutions per minute? To find number of revolutions per minute, what we need to do is we have to divide the distance covered by the tire in 1 minute by the distance covered by the tire in 1 revolution. So that is 63,360 over 30 pi. Okay, so what we can do is we can write this one as 63,360 over 30 times 1 over pi. So the value of 63,360 by 30 is 2,112. So when I multiply this value 2,112 by 1, I am getting 2,112 by pi. So we can use calculator to divide 2,112 by pi. So we can get the value of pi directly from the calculator. Okay, let me divide 2,112 by pi. I am getting 672.27. It keeps going. 672.27. It keeps going. So when I round it to the nearest whole number, because according to the question, I have to round it to the nearest whole number. So whenever I want to round a decimal number to the nearest whole number, I have to look at the digit at tens place. It's 2. Since it's less than 5, simply we can ignore all the digits to the right of the decimal point. We can consider the whole number over here. That is 672. So the number of revolutions per minute the car tire can make is 672. So the rate of spin is approximately 672 revolutions per minute.